we're getting there. This house is not cheaper than rent now. And now we have air conditioning. Finally. As you can see up there, this house feels like a house. Each of these heads is independent and they really work well. I can't tell you how lovely it is to actually be able to sleep at night. And it's so quiet. Yeah, it took 6 guys an entire week to actually put this in. So I am glad I did not try to tackle this. It would have been horrible and probably taken me a good part of a year to do it. So again, I am just blessed that the guys could get in here as soon as they did, and Monica is very happy. Baby's sleeping. I'm sleeping. The train isn't waking us up at 2 o'clock in the morning and 5:30 in the morning, Monday through Friday, and twice on Saturday and Sundays. So, yeah, I am overjoyed